Hi, welcome back to our WIRECAST tutorials. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Chroma key option in WIRECAST. So, like every other tool or every video I've posted on WIRECAST, it's always going to have to do with the layers. And there's actually a little switch up in this version of the video for Chroma key. We're going to be using the video with the green screen background is going to be on layer 2. And then what we want basically above the green screen is going to be on layer 3. So for example, in this video, I'm going to close this so we have the same even playing field. We've got nothing. Well, just downloaded WIRECAST. It's fresh off the install. So what we do in layer 2 is we're going to look for our green screen video. We're going to go over to the plus button on layer 2, media files, browse disk, and we're going to choose here. I've got a little green screen confetti falling video, and I've got a smiling face with a couple sunglasses on. Then I'm going to be showing you how to use the green screen and chroma key option on today. So we're going to double click first on the video, and if we click play, you can see here I've got it's confetti with the green screen and all of that. So first things first, we're going to add the video here to layer 2. Then we're going to click on the two arrows here on the left side. And we're going to go to the little person icon and chroma key properties. We're going to click on use chroma key, and it will automatically get rid of the green screen. If it doesn't, you can choose basically pick key color with mouse, and then it'll basically tell you the color and all of that. If not, you can click on the color option, and you can look for the closest green. You can click on it, and then click OK, and it'll automatically do it. So right now, what it did was it just got rid of all of the green stuff, basically, or the green background in their little video. So we go live. Right now, we'll have a black screen with confetti falling. Now let's say we want our content above it. We either want a logo, a spinning logo, or a little icon, whatever, basically on the screen with the transparent background. What we're going to do is on layer 3, we're going to add the plus button. We're going to click on the plus button. We're going to add media files. Double click on browse disk, and we're going to add our little smiling face that we've got here. In our case, we're adding a smiley face. In your case, you could be adding your logo, a little spinning animation, anything like that. But it's basically the same process. We're going to double click it, and it'll automatically open it up. And just like that, what we see here is that it's pretty much clear, and we still see our background. So we click on the right arrow right here, it's automatically going live, and that was basically how we had a green screen video. We removed the background. We'll try it again. We're going to double click it, and then you have to click on the little person icon, use chroma key, and it'll automatically get rid of the background. And that way we have our logo basically playing, in our case, a little happy face guy, with a clear background and confetti falling. So it's basically the same process for any green screen video. And even if you were using a chroma key in real life, you had a green screen background, same process. You're going to go ahead and add it on layer 2, your camera, your webcam, and then on the layer 3 you would add, for example, let's say a studio background, or maybe a background of a beach, or if you're using it for a video call, maybe your room, or maybe an office, stuff like that. Be basically the same process. On 2 you add the background footage, and on basically on 3 you add the overlay. What you'd like to show up basically past the green screen. But hopefully this video was of help. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'm happy to help out. Thank you so much, and have a great day.